In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar private. This is a simple process, but it's essential for those who want to maintain privacy and control over who can view their schedule. Let's get started. First, the journey begins with the Google Calendar website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and hit enter. You're looking to open Google Calendar, so click on the first search result that appears. This will take you directly to the sign-in page if you aren't already logged in. Now enter your email address. It's crucial to ensure you're using the account linked with the calendar you want to manage. After typing in your email, move on by clicking Next. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Type it in carefully to avoid any mishaps, and once again, click Next to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you're at the heart of your Google Calendar. Look to the top right corner of the page. You should see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. This icon typically symbolizes a menu of additional options, and it's your gateway to further settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings and Sharing. This option is your go-to for customizing how your calendar is shared and made accessible to others. After clicking, it will open the Settings interface, where a range of options shall be visible. In this Settings menu, you'll notice that there's a little X sign on some options. Find that and click it to make adjustments. Finally, as you scroll down the settings, you will encounter the option Make Available to Public. This is crucial. A checkmark in this box means your calendar is publicly accessible. To make your calendar private, simply uncheck this box. Unchecking ensures that your schedule will not be visible to those who aren't explicitly given access. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your calendar settings, ensuring only those you authorize can view your events and schedule. This simple yet effective adjustment helps maintain your online privacy and grants you peace of mind knowing your calendar isn't just open to anyone on the internet. I hope you found this guide helpful in customizing your Google Calendar privacy settings. If you did, feel free to like and share this video with those who might also find it useful. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tips on managing your digital life efficiently.